Hey, welcome to AI Horizons. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain on what's really next for artificial intelligence. So forget the headlines for a second, because we're going way deeper.
So you see all the noise every single day, right? New AI models, new apps, it's a lot. But what if I told you the truly game-changing ideas, the stuff that's going to define the next 5 years, isn't being tweeted about at all?
Let's be real. The world of AI is incredibly noisy. It is just jam-packed with polished marketing and, honestly, a ton of hype. But the actual breakthroughs, the big foundational shifts, they're happening somewhere most people don't even know to look.
To find them, we have to go to what is, without a doubt, the single most important event on the entire AI calendar. You can basically think of it as the Super Bowl for AI researchers.
It's called NeurIPS. Every single year, this is where the absolute bleeding edge of AI gets unveiled. I mean, the groundbreaking stuff that's going to power the tools you're using tomorrow, it gets its very first debut right here.
And when I say it's the place to be, I mean everybody is there. We're talking researchers from Google, Meta, Apple, OpenAI, and literally every top university on the planet. They all show up to share what they've been working on.
But here's the secret. The main stage presentations, that's not actually where the real magic happens. Nope, the true cutting edge, the secret sauce of AI progress is kind of hidden away from the main event.
Think about it like this. The main conference, that's for the polished, finished papers. It's all buttoned up. But the workshops? That's where things get interesting. That's where researchers share the raw, messy, work-in-progress ideas. They're not just presenting, they're brainstorming, they're debating the future in real time.
So what are they actually talking about in these workshops? Well, let's take a quick look. This is a little sneak peek at the kinds of puzzles the brightest minds in AI are trying to solve right now. How about this for a puzzle? Researchers are using AI to finally try and decode animal communication. Yeah, for real. We're talking about using things like bioacoustics, basically analyzing animal sounds, to figure out the language of whales or birds, maybe even insects.
Or what about this? Moving beyond just creating a video from a text prompt, they're working on ways to generate videos where you can control every single thing. The character's actions, the camera angle, the lighting. This is the absolute next generation of creative tools. And it's not all sci-fi stuff. They're also tackling the huge fundamental problems. Like, how do we build systems that can reliably tell us when an AI is hallucinating, just making stuff up? This is absolutely crucial if we're ever going to truly trust these powerful systems.
Okay, so this is all really cool, but why does any of this matter to you? It's simple, really. Having access to these ideas before they even sniff the mainstream gives you an unbelievable competitive edge.
This is exactly why we focus on these workshops. We skip the boring, sanitized corporate stuff and dive right into the raw concepts, the half-finished thoughts, and yet even the beautiful ideas that didn't quite work yet, because that's where the real insights are hiding.
So here's our promise to you here at AI Horizons. We do the digging. We go through hundreds and hundreds of pages of dense academic research to pull out the exclusive insights buried deep inside. Then, we translate all that complexity into clear, actionable knowledge. The bottom line? We give you the advantage of knowing what's coming, sometimes years before anyone else.
The future of AI isn't just happening. It's being designed, debated, and built right now in these very workshops. The only real question is, are you ready to see the blueprints? If you are, you're in the right place. Welcome to AI Horizons.